So in this video, I'll be going through the HIPAA compliance and the data management policy that's associated to um, allowing your application. Basically, your application should have your company should come up with a set of policies to be considered HIPAA compliant. So I'll be reviewing the data management policy as part of that effort. So I'm looking at Daticas, but I'll customize this policy for my own company at a later time. So Datica has procedures to create and maintain retrievable exact copies of electronic protected health information stored in conjunction with Datica add-ons and for PaaS customers utilizing our backup service. So Datica has procedures basically to backup EPHI using Datica add-ons or for PaaS customers using a backup service. So this policy and associated procedures for testing and restoring from backup data do not apply to PaaS customers that do not choose Datica backup service. The policy and procedures will assure that complete, accurate, retrievable, and tested backups are available for all systems used by Datica. So basically, these policies and procedures will make sure Datica keeps a pretty accurate copy, and using that copy, we should be able to restore the system. Data backup is an important part of the day-to-day operations of Datica. To protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of EPHI, both for Datica and Datica customers, complete backups are done daily to assure that data remains available when needed and in case of a disaster. Violation of this policy and its procedures by workforce members may result in corrective disciplinary action up to and including termination of employment. So applicable standards, basically they have high trust CSF. So high trust CSF standard is covered by this policy. And HIPAA security, these three HIPAA security rules are covered by this policy. Backup policy and procedures. Perform daily snapshot backups of all systems that process, store, or transmit EPHI for Datica customers, including PaaS customers that utilize the Datica backup service. Datica Ops team led by VP of Engineering is designated to be in charge of backups. DevOps teams are trained and assigned to complete backups and manage the backup media. Document backups, name of the system, date and time of backup, where backup stored, or to whom it was provided. Okay. Securely encrypt stored backups in a manner that protects them from loss or environmental damage. Test backups and document that files have been completely and accurately restored from backup media. Okay. So it looks like the data management policy. They talk about the applicable standards and the backup policy and procedures. They have listed 6 procedures. That's all I have for this video. In the next video, I'll go through system access policy. And to stop this video for now.